Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder. Yes, we're going on with the Ecto. I've got 134 and we're doing some more stages after that, but 134 is the first one. Have a look at these parts that we have here. We've got some decals again, so let's get that bath out as well. Put those together. Decals in bath already, and we're going on. Let's turn the camera down. So let's have that one there. Have a look at, there's a notch in one, and that should be the lower one of the two. And let's see what we are using in those GPs. Let's see. Like that, as you can see. Oh, let me just zoom that in for you, sorry. Like that, and then we're going to do the other side as well. And as we're doing these anyway, let's get this one out. Alright, we've got the one on, and now let's do the other side. Let's put that to the side. Get that one out. And there's a notch on one side, and that shows you how to put it in. ZPs. So we're going to put that little thing underneath it. There's a little notch there. Then we're going to put two eyepiece on that. Then we're going to put that one there and the other end into that hole right there. And that's that one done. Alright. These are some nice parts. So let's put those to the side. Alright, we put those two together and put an eyepiece screw on that. I think this is how it goes on. That one should go there, because there's one with a keyhole pattern, so it all sticks together properly. Then these are AMs. Now let's get that one out, and it goes right here. Have a look at that. You have those little things there. You need to be on this side. And now we are going to put EPs in. As you can see right there. We're going to get that one out. I'm going to put it onto the side here. It's the shake way it's working. One side is on, then we're going to put it onto that little pin there. And they're saying to have it like that. And we put that one on. Now we're going to put everything that we have here together. And this is going to stay as one. I've got them in like so. It took me quite some time to, they're very hard to get in. And not all of them are looking as good as they were when we got them, so well, that's all my my doing. So let's see where we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this right there, and we're gonna put some LPs from underneath. This is not a very good stage for me. It did not go as I hoped it would go. So we put those on, so from that one to more or less the same order as they are right here. Now we're going to get that one out. I'm going to put it on here with a GP on this thing, and then right there with another GP. But let's get the first one out. And that is what we have there, from the right there to right there with two GP screws, and then these all in right there. This is stage number 136, but all these parts with the numbers on we're not going to use. We're going to get those out. I'm going to put those aside because we're not looking at those at all. And have a good look how that is supposed to be, because there's a longer and a shorter keyhole pattern. Then we're going to get the GPs out. These are silver GPs, so screwdriver, and then 6 of these GPs into the holes that you can almost see there. And we're going to put those right there, and we're going to put the other screws in as well. And I see one potential screw that needs to be done right now, because otherwise you can't screw it in anymore. That's this one. 2 HP screws, we have those right here. And the last one of this GP silver headed screws, and that is 136 done, and 135 that we've done before. Have a look at that. And what we're doing next in 137 and 138, we're doing a different time. That did not go very well. Putting that together is yeah, not easy. Take your time and take care with that to when you put them in. They're very hard to push in, so you need to get some kind of leverage so you can push them in properly. But took me some time. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on. And join me next time when I do some more of an Ecto or of R2D2 or the Tumbler or a Lancaster. Check out my channel. You'll see all the builds that I do and have done. Check out the playlist. I've put them all in order so you can see them one by one. I'll also put the numbers in, so if you want to go to a specific one, you can go straight to it. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.